Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am super excited today because I got my camera fixed and I can use my regular camera again, rather than using my iPhone. So using the camera is way better, the lighting is better, and it's clearer and all that. So yay for that. Anyway, I'm Stephanie. I'm an eBay reseller part-time, and I also do marketing as my day job. And so I've been doing eBay reselling for many years, though, as a side gig, and I love it. I love it. Today, I'm going to open a ThredUp designer, a DIY designer box. And I'm going to just show you how the box arrived. Lately, their boxes have been getting squashed. I don't think it's their fault. It's probably UPS or whoever delivered it. I think it was UPS. There's a big gaping hole, and as you might know, my last designer box only had 5 items total. So I hope this is better. I really do. Anyway, they made it right. They did give me a $40 credit. Of course, I'd rather have the items, but you know, what can you do? At least they made it right. All right, here it is. It's a bigger box. It's one of their larger ones. So I'm kind of excited about that. Last time it was a bigger one and there was only 5 items. So yeah, we'll see. But all right, we've only got one piece of tape. And here we go. Here we go. By the way, I didn't mention my jewelry today. This shirt is kind of bejeweled already, so I didn't want to wear a lot of jewelry with it. But I do have these cute Kendra Scott earrings that I got as my Galentine's gift from Joanne over at Texas Cash. Okay, here we go. DIY designer, $140. All right. I don't know if I had any coupons for this or not, but or any credits, because I do sell some clothing at ThredUp. I don't really know. But anyway, here we go. I see a shoe on top. It's pink suede, and pink suede is good. I mean, I don't know. I love pink suede. I don't know what it looks like it's Jimmy Choo. All right, but that was the first look. Oh my goodness. Okay. Throw this aside. Let's get to the shoes first. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at that. They're dirty, though, is the only thing. I think that's the problem, but they're in excellent shape. It looks like, I don't know if they were worn at all. I mean, look at these shoes. There's no wear to this. Is there any wear at all? Maybe a tiny bit, yeah. It looks like they were worn for maybe an hour, or else tried on and just worn around the house. I don't know. But look at that. This one, I don't see any faults in this one. So that is great. They're size 40. The only thing I see wrong with these, let me see if the clasp is good. Yeah, the clasp is good. Let's see. Yeah, the clasp is good. And the only thing I see wrong is this. So it looks like I have some suede cleaner that might help, but it looks like it did get a little bit smooth. These are gorgeous though. I mean, other than that, they're in amazing shape. So these will sell on eBay, but if you're interested in buying them, there will be a price on the screen. Like I said, size 40, which is about a size 9.5 US, something like that. All of these different Italian shoes and designer shoes run differently in sizing, but most of them are, on the US scale. I mean, it's not, 38 is a size 8. It's usually a half size or a size smaller than that. So anyway, this is about a 9.5, but you probably know better than I do what you wear in Jimmy Choo. So, oh gosh. Play Comme des Garçons, size large. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love this. It's golden white stripe, long sleeves. It's a size large. Let's show you the tag here. Okay, this is adorable. This is really adorable. Look at the cute little logo. I don't know why it's in here. There must be a little tear or a stain or something, but that's really cute. That's really cute. And I love striped things. I don't see anything wrong with that. And it's cotton. I think it's a little bit stretchy. Let's see. Doesn't say, does it? Yes, 100% cotton, made in Japan. So, great. That brand, I love that brand. I think it sells. I haven't sold a lot of items from that brand, but all right. Moving on. Oh, I love Gucci. Okay, Gucci. I got a Gucci shirt. I love it when I get Gucci. I can't lie. I love it. It's a size 40, which I think is about a size 4. And it's a gorgeous shirt. Here's the tag. It's got these cute sleeves. Ooh, short sleeve. I don't see anything wrong with it though. There's a little stain right here, but I'm gonna get that out right away. There's the stain right there. Right there, if you can see it. It's really hard to show on camera. That's how light it is. You can't really hardly see it. I'm gonna put it on my mannequin and see if there's anything else, but this is, let's see, buttons. Yes, buttons are all there. I know, there's a button missing from the pocket, but you don't need that. Nobody would probably even notice. And there might be a spare button sewn in here. Let's see. No, there's no spare button sewn in here, but this is, it's so light. 72% cotton. I can't really tell what it is, but it's a short sleeve Gucci shirt. It's great. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Super happy with that. Oh, I love it. Anytime I can get Gucci. Are you kidding me? It's great. Okay, next up is, ooh, I'm going to guess it's Burberry. It's a scarf. Ooh. Oh heavens. This is really nice. And I imagine if it is Burberry that there are some holes in it. It is Burberry. London. There's the tag. Let's see. There's the tag. It is obviously cashmere, dry clean only. Ah, there we go. The holes. It has a couple of holes right there. Really small. Again. I think it's a jacket. It's cotton, 75% cotton, 22% nylon, and 3% elastane. But oh my god, there must be something wrong. I don't know. There isn't always something wrong, but is there a tear? Is there? Well, anyway, I'm going to show you the tag. There's the tag, and then the size tag is right under here. It's kind of hard to. Oh, it's Burberry London. Yeah. So okay, so there's the inside. It's got the lining. And let's just have a look here. There's no tears inside so far that I can see. Is there a button missing? Nope. Not that I can see. This thing is in great shape. Oh my heavens. Oh my gosh, this is a great box. I love it. I didn't get any handbags in it, but that's okay. You don't always have to get a handbag. I don't know what's wrong with it. It doesn't, I'm going to put it on the mannequin again, but this is amazing. This is it. So, 2 pairs of shoes. All right. Oh my heavens. These are great. What? Okay, it's Miu Miu. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, look at these shoes. Miu Miu. They're a light gray, grayish taupish. They're like right on the verge of gray or taupe. And they look at the bottom. I mean, it looks like they had a resoling put on them. But it doesn't look like they had, I don't think it was a resole. I think they had this put on so it was less slippery. That's what I would do at least if it was me, because they're pretty, that's not a problem. And I'll clean up the insides too. But there is like this scrape, you know, so there are, and then there's some little scraping there. So, I mean, I won't get a lot for those, but all right, so that was, let's go over them one more time. Okay, that pair of shoes, these beautiful Miu Miu platform heels, this amazing Burberry jacket, wow, these beautiful, oh, well, let's go next to the scarf. This Burberry scarf that has 2 small holes, not bad. A Gucci shirt, unreal. Play Comme des Garçons. And finally, the Jimmy Choo heels that are amazing, except for the little mark. Ah, wait, you know what? I just realized something. It's not just here. It's also here. So it's in 2 spots, here and here. But otherwise, they're in almost new condition. So I am super happy with that box. I've been disappointed. The last 2 boxes I've had problems with. This one is not a problem. This is great. So thank you, ThredUp. I love my box. And again, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know if you're interested in buying any of these items. Just send an email to mystefstyle@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.